Hi! In this tutorial you will learn how to get started with GraphQL Content API and Ring Publishing. To use the API you need to generate access and secret keys. If you have been using the Content API v1 based on JSON RPC so far, you will need to regenerate your keys. Let's check how to do that. Find the Settings option in the Ring menu, and then click Spaces. Select the space for which you want to generate keys. Then click Manage Module. Find Content API and click the three dots on the right, then select API keys from the list. A sidebar will appear, where you will see a list of keys already assigned to the space, if you have any. To make new keys, click Generate. Enter a name that helps you identify these keys in the future. After clicking Create you will see Access Key and a secret key which you can copy. Remember that you can always check the access key on the list, but you have to take care of the secret key yourself. If you forget it, you will need to generate both new keys. For convenience, access and secret keys can be shared across multiple content spaces. So if you want to attach keys for other spaces, click the arrow on the button and select Attach Existing Key. Now you have everything you need to start using the API. We invite you to use the playground now. First, you need to copy UUID of your space. Return to the space list and copy the UUID information from sidebar. Next, go to api.ringpublishing.com/content/v2. To start with the playground, append your content space UUID to the end of the link in this area. This is your API endpoint. You will be asked for authorization. To do this, click on the padlock on the right side of the playground, enter the previously generated keys, and click Save Credentials. Now you can freely check various queries by entering them on the left. When you click the play icon, you will get the query results on the right. On the right edge of the playground, you will find two tabs that will allow you to check the API schema and API documentation. Now, you already know how to start with Content API. Thank you.